Hello everyone and welcome to Module 1, the Lesson 5. Today we are deep dive to the conducting project review topic. Project reviews are an essential part of the project closure phase. They provide an opportunity to evaluate the project's performance, identify areas for improvement, and document lessons learned. Conducting project reviews allows project managers and stakeholders to gain valuable insights into the project's success and make informed decisions for future projects. The purpose of project reviews encompasses several key objectives aimed at enhancing project performance and informing future endeavors. Let's break down each aspect. Assess overall project performance. The primary purpose of conducting project reviews is to assess the overall performance of the project. This involves evaluating whether the project has achieved its objectives, delivered the expected outcomes, and met stakeholder expectations. By reviewing the project holistically, project managers can gain insights into the project's successes, challenges, and areas for improvement. Evaluate project management effectiveness. Project reviews provide an opportunity to evaluate the effectiveness of project management processes and methodologies employed throughout the project lifecycle. This includes assessing how well the project was planned, executed, monitored, and controlled. By analyzing project management practices, project managers can identify strengths and weaknesses and make adjustments to optimize future project performance. Gather feedback for future improvements. Another crucial purpose of project reviews is to gather feedback from various stakeholders, including team members, clients, and other project stakeholders. This feedback serves as valuable input for identifying areas for improvement and informing future project planning and execution. By soliciting input from those involved in the project, project managers can gain different perspectives and insights that contribute to continuous improvement and better project outcomes. In summary, the purpose of project reviews is multifaceted, aiming to assess overall project performance, evaluate project management effectiveness, and gather feedback for future improvements. By conducting thorough project reviews, project managers can glean valuable insights that inform decision-making and enhance project success in the long run. Key elements of project reviews. To conduct a comprehensive project review, several key elements need to be considered. These elements include project objectives and deliverables. The first step in conducting a project review is to assess whether the project has achieved its objectives and delivered the expected outcomes. This involves comparing the actual results with the planned objectives and deliverables. Any deviations or gaps should be identified and analyzed to understand the reasons behind them. Project schedule and timeline. The project schedule and timeline are crucial aspects of project management. During the project review, it is essential to evaluate whether the project was completed within the planned schedule and timeline. Any delays or schedule changes should be examined to determine their impact on the project's overall success. Budget and cost management. Another critical element of project reviews is assessing the project's financial performance. This involves comparing the actual project costs with the budgeted costs. Any cost overruns or budget deviations should be analyzed to understand the reasons behind them and identify opportunities for improvement in future projects. Stakeholder satisfaction. The satisfaction of stakeholders, including clients, team members, and other project stakeholders, is a vital aspect of project success. During the project review, it is essential to gather feedback from stakeholders to assess their level of satisfaction with the project's outcomes, communication, and overall performance. This feedback can help identify areas for improvement and ensure better stakeholder engagement in future projects. Project risks and issues. Project reviews should also include an evaluation of the risks and issues encountered during the project. This involves assessing how well the project team identified, managed, and mitigated risks throughout the project lifecycle. Any unresolved issues or lessons learned from risk management should be documented to improve future risk management practices. Team performance and collaboration. The performance and collaboration of the project team play a significant role in project success. During the project review, it is essential to evaluate the team's performance, including their ability to meet deadlines, work together effectively, and communicate efficiently. Any challenges or areas for improvement should be identified to enhance team performance in future projects. In summary, These key elements provide a comprehensive framework for assessing project performance, identifying areas for improvement, and informing future project management practices. Conducting a project review involves several key steps to ensure an effective evaluation of project performance and the identification of areas for improvement. Here's a summary of the process. Define review objectives, establish clear objectives and scope for the review, identifying specific areas to evaluate, such as project objectives, deliverables, schedule, budget, stakeholder satisfaction, and team performance. Gather relevant data, collect all pertinent data and information related to the project, including project plans, schedules, budget reports, stakeholder feedback, and other documentation providing insights into project performance. Analyze the data, analyze gathered data to identify trends, patterns, and areas of concern. Compare actual project performance with planned objectives, deliverables, schedule, budget, and stakeholder satisfaction, identifying any deviations or gaps that require attention. Identify lessons learned, document best practices, challenges, and opportunities for improvement gleaned from the analysis. These lessons learned can enhance project management processes and prevent similar issues in future projects. Prepare a project review report. Based on analysis and lessons learned, compile a comprehensive project review report. Include an overview of the project, summary of findings, recommendations for improvement, and any other relevant information in a clear, concise format easily understood by stakeholders. Share findings and recommendations, disseminate the project review report to the project team, stakeholders, and other relevant parties. Use formal presentations, meetings, or written communication to ensure effective communication of findings and recommendations, promoting understanding and facilitating action. Implement recommendations, actively implement identified recommendations to derive maximum benefit from the project review. Assign responsibilities, set timelines, and monitor progress on recommended actions to ensure lessons learned are applied to future projects, continuously improving project management processes. In summary, conducting a project review involves a structured approach to evaluating project performance, documenting lessons learned, and implementing improvements for future projects. Conducting project reviews yields numerous benefits for both the project team and the organization as a whole. Improved project performance. Project reviews identify areas for enhancement, offering insights to bolster project management processes, ultimately leading to enhanced project performance. Enhance stakeholder satisfaction. By soliciting feedback from stakeholders, project reviews pinpoint and address gaps in stakeholder satisfaction, fostering better engagement and collaboration in subsequent projects. Increased efficiency and effectiveness. Project reviews facilitate the analysis of project data, enabling the identification of best practices, lessons learned, and areas for improvement. Implementing these insights enhances efficiency and effectiveness in project execution. Continuous improvement. By documenting lessons learned and implementing recommendations, project reviews contribute to the organization's continuous improvement endeavors. This ensures that past experiences are leveraged, mitigating the recurrence of mistakes in future projects. Better decision-making. Insights gleaned from project reviews empower project managers and stakeholders to make well-informed decisions for future projects. These decisions span resource allocation, risk management, and project planning. In conclusion, project reviews constitute a pivotal phase in project closure, enabling project managers and stakeholders to assess project performance, identify improvement areas, and document lessons learned. Following a structured approach and considering key elements ensures that project reviews furnish invaluable insights, thereby contributing to the success of future projects. In this module, we explored the vital role of project reviews in the closure phase, examining key elements and structured approaches that provide essential insights and continuous improvement for future projects. Thank you for your time, and we will see you in Module 2 of the Lesson 5. Also, thank you for the support. Like and subscribe to the channel.